Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. There are some new products dropping out there from all these businesses, and I have one I want to show you guys today. So this is just a good quick unboxing of some new Bobbi Boss hair that y'all got to see. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Hey guys, so I just got a package in the mail from Beauty Depot. If you guys did not already know, they have just released some new hair by Bobbi Boss. I can't wait to open it so you guys can see. So this is the box. I ordered a ton of hair because I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. I might do a giveaway for y'all when I install this hair, so y'all better stay tuned for that video. So this is the box. Y'all gonna open it with me because I haven't seen it yet. I ordered the new Bobbi Boss 24-inch. Let me get this box open. 24-inch Locs. Alright, let me get it open. How many packs did I order? Let me see. I think I ordered 21 packs of hair. And I don't think you need, of course you don't need this many to do a head, but I wanted to get some more. I might do a giveaway for y'all on these. So, you know, I told y'all to stay tuned for these giveaways because I got them coming, okay? So this is, let me show y'all, the new Bobbi Boss new Locs in 24 inches, y'all. 24 inches. This one's a number 2. I have a lot of different colors in this box, so I will show you guys everything that I got. So normally people would install these Locs. They would want them really long, 36 inches and so on and so forth, but you would have to get two 18-inch packs, extend them to make them 36 inches. So now they have a mid length, which is the 24-inch hair, and I ordered like 21 packs, and I'm definitely going to be doing an install on this, but I haven't seen the 24-inch, but now that I have, I'm definitely going to be installing this. So this is the number 2. How many packs? Let me see. I ordered 3 packs of the number 2. When I do my Locs, I like to mix the colors just to make it look a little bit more, you know, different. So I got 3 packs of the number 2. I have, they really stuffed this hair in this box, y'all. Let me tell y'all. Beauty Depot, I ordered, let me think. Today is Monday. I ordered Thursday, so you know, weekend, Saturday, Sunday did not count as business days, but it got here. They shipped it off Friday. I'm assuming they shipped it off Friday, and it got here on Monday, so that's good. So I ordered a number 4. Let's see. I ordered 4 packs of the number 4. Whoops. This is the number 4. You can't really see the color through the packaging, but it's a little bit lighter than the number 2. And I ordered, oh, how many did, this is the number 27, y'all. This one's nice. I ordered this one. I have 2 packs of the number 27. So I have this one. And whew, what else I got? What color? Oh, 1B27. The 1B27 is cool. It's a mixture of black and the number 27 together. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but it's not. Let me show you guys the 27 and the 1B27 together. So this is 27 and this is 1B27. 27 is on this side, 1B27 on this side. The 1B27 is a little bit darker, so I might put that in. I haven't decided, but the 1B27, I ordered 4 packs of that. And I have a regular 1B, which I ordered. How many did I order? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 packs of the regular 1B. So I like to mix these colors when I do my installs. I like to mix a number 1, a number 4, a number 2, and a number 27 when I do my locks. I feel like it looks so cute when I mix the colors, and you know, the colored locks brighten it up a bit. But this is the number 1B. So let me take it out so you guys can actually see what the locks look like. I wonder how many. I'm gonna have to count them so you guys know how many locks come in each pack, because you know, I know a lot of people want to know that. So this is what it looks like. There's the top. Excuse my nails, y'all. Look, I can't get my nails done right now. Y'all know the virus is going around. I had to, you know, sacrifice a little bit. But this is what the locks look like. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 locks in each pack. I've asked Beauty Depot how many packs you need in order to do a full head. They say about 7 or 8 maybe. So, you know, 7 packs to finish your whole head, just to make it full, is about how many you need. But these are really long. I'm really liking, you know, the length on these. They kind of go to my waist. Just from the back of my head right here, they kind of reach to my waist. So I'm liking the length of these. This is the length that I actually like to wear. Let me see if they have any more information. They are really light, I know that much. I love wearing locks like this. They're really light and they're super, super cute. Y'all can't go wrong with these. But I mean, I can just imagine if somebody tried to extend these, put 2 of these. Look, 48 inches of locks, that's a little much. I bet not see nobody out there doing that. Let me stop, because I'm gonna see somebody probably tomorrow doing it. So these are the locks. I am going to be doing an install soon with these on. I cannot wait. These are gonna be fire. And I'm gonna mix the colors, and then I will do a giveaway for the same amount of hair that I used. If I have to order more hair for my giveaway, I will, but I don't think I should. I have about 21 packs, so stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to show you guys what this hair looked like. It's something new from Bobbi Boss, because everybody was asking them to get some mid lengths so they didn't have to use the extended lengths all the time or extend it themselves, which is such a hassle and more work for the hairstylists out there. So that was it. I just wanted to show you guys that. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the lock video that is coming up with these locks, and I will be doing a giveaway for that one. So you guys, new people, y'all better subscribe so y'all can get in on this giveaway as well. I thank you guys so much for the last giveaway I did, which was Coastal Scents. So stay tuned for this giveaway. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.